Honorable senior dignitaries, my teachers, and my dear companions, all my humble gentlemen, as we all gather here to celebrate this special celebration, on this occasion, I want to give a speech on the importance of education to all of you. So, my dears, good and proper education plays an important role in our life, in shaping our future and shaping professional careers. It helps to develop our personality and to gain recognition and respect in family and society. We can say that it is an essential part of personal and social human life. We cannot ignore the importance of education in our life at any cost. As we see in society continuously that many social issues are just being created due to the lack of proper education. Social issues such as inequality, gender inequality, religious discrimination and many other problems are due to the lack of proper education only in our life. A good and proper education helps us to maintain our social and personal standards in our daily life. My dears, in this modern technological and comparative world, education among the uneducated and poor people is still an issue which is urgently needed to be resolved very soon. Education is a solution to all social, personal and business problems. Without education, no one can make a good image and a prosperous and happy life in society. My dears, nowadays getting proper education is, compared to the old times, is easy and simple due to online system on all major universities and correspondence system, I mean open universities. It has made the system of learning easier, due to which people who are poor or unable to attend school can get education in their area. To maintain the quality of education across the country, many efforts and scheme strategies have been adopted by the government of India. Just we have to take it and use it in the right direction. Education encourages women and child protection rights to save our lives, save many lives, increase economic growth, raise money, promote peace in society, promote quality of crops, remove corruption, remove poverty, providing good governance in the country, removing corruption, creating awareness about the fundamental rights, etc. helps in many tasks. Education not only means to get hard work or good results, however, it is to achieve new things for the welfare of all mankind. So, my dears, here I conclude my little speech.